Hello, everybody. My name is Trilord, and welcome back. You know, yeah, I guess we're back. So I guess I have to, create my account. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, guys. That was pretty fast. So we're back. It's been a while. So the first thing we're gonna do is, yeah, I guess we're gonna play the classics. So it has been a while. You guys kind of got lucky because I'm gonna play another. I have no since like 2018. I never made 2 videos in one day. So you guys kind of got lucky on that. But yeah, I guess today we're gonna make 2 videos. One because the first one was like really weirded. So I guess we're gonna start from the. Really? I only have 100 points? Might need some help from my. Well, let's play a new game. Alright. Let's play now. I don't know what this was before. Oh yeah, wait, but I'm gonna be horrible. Come on, give me something good. Give me sports. Come on. I'm not good with chemistry. Where can you find this famous lady? Oh, that's easy. New York City. Easy. What do you mean? Super easy. Yeah, fun. Let's continue. I love this game. Alright. Yeah. Come on. What kids show is the singing, tuba playing, cucumber from? Kids song, Sesame Street. I don't know this. Oh my god. Sesame? No. I was thinking it was that. God dang it. You lost. Turn waiting for a parent to answer. Sorry about that, guys.
Here's a razor that works differently. The Gillette Skin Guard.
I have an
It has a
ad.
guard between the blades that helps protect skin. The Gillette Skin Guard.
Sure. Big prize, no. No. I can't buy anything. Alright, let's go. This might be a little bit of a short video since. Wait, so what should we do? Not sure what we should do. What is this? Alright, I guess we'll just do like one more thing. And I'll end the video here because people are annoying me. Choose an image. That. Choose an image. I don't really understand this game. Oh, what? And male zebra is called what? Ah. Nobody got it right. What university does 30%? No! Ah, yes, I got it right. Who painted the last super? We both chose the same thing. What is the study of a human brain and its mental processes? Got him. What type of flowers are these? There. What? And he got that? What city in the United States is this? Atlanta? To draw, score 1, collect. Alright. I can deal with that. I guess we're gonna end the video here. Yeah. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Always remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notifications button to get notified of my newest videos so you don't miss them like this. Thank you all so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Oh my god. And, yeah. Oh, and I'm sorry guys if this was a really short video. It's just because I didn't really organize my plan for this video, and you know, it's kind of really boring. But thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video at least, even though it was not really that long. I feel like in total, if you don't count these minutes, it was only like 2 minutes playing that game for me. I don't know about you, but yeah. That was pretty much for me. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.